Let's play. Nice. Nice. You gotta go more straight with it. That was okay. Oh no! What are we going to do now?
Don't worry, Fred Martin has a collision center that will get this car back on the road in no time.
Yeah, but will they work with my insurance company?
Yeah, they work with all major insurance companies.
All right, let's go. I hope they can fix it. They will.
Hey, I need an estimate.
All right, right this way. There you go.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much.
No problem. We can have that taken care of in a couple days.
Perfect, sounds
No
great.
problem.
Thank you.
You always get more at Fred Martin Superstore and Fred Martin Collision Center.